Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another update for the rolling 5 pan that I'm doing. As you know, it's a kind of a combination of beauty products and makeup products. I kind of roll in whenever I feel like, and this is a nice little project for me to do some things on the side, some things that maybe we're almost finished off in other projects. I can kind of roll them in here and work on some beauty products at the same time. So let's take a look at what I'm actually working on. Okay, first of all, I have two products that I thought would kind of be finished by now, but are not completely. The first one is this Image Ormedic Balancing Facial Cleanser. I'm reading it upside down because I'm holding it upside down. I was right here when I started, and I marked it here, but in all reality, I can't even really see it anymore. So I'm just, whatever is left in the top part of it is what I still have. So this is definitely gonna be gone by the next one, but it's not completely gone this time. So yeah, like using it. I already have a backup of this one, so when this one is done, I'm gonna start using the other one straight away. And that is it. Interesting. Then I had this Ginger and Pear bath and shower gel from Super Beauty that I thought I would be able to finish off quite easily, actually. And I didn't. I kind of put this in because I wanted to take a few more baths and I wanted to focus on that a little bit more. I went from here to here, which was basically like 3, maybe 4 baths that I've taken in the last month, which is not a lot. It's not like nothing either, but I'm really close. Like, this is like 1 or 2 more baths and this will be done. So also for that one, this will be done by next time, pretty sure. But it's not done yet. But I do really like this one. It makes me think of Christmas, kind of. Well, the time that comes before Christmas in the Netherlands, we celebrate some other things as well. But yeah, that is that one. Okay, let's move on to a more exciting thing. This is the body lotion that I was working on. It's the Body Shop Peppermint Candy Cane body lotion, which definitely made me think of Christmas. I mean, candy cane, of course. I did finish this one off. So that is a really happy thing. I managed to finish this one off. I was here and I went all the way down. I was here first time, then I was here, and then I finished it off. So it took me 1, 2, 3 updates to go through most of this bottle. I already used up a little bit before I put it in here. And this I'm just putting in to make sure that I actually use body lotion, because I know I like it when I do, but oftentimes I feel like it's too much of a hassle, while in reality it only takes a few minutes. So it's working, actually. I'm using body lotion more since then, so that is good. And this one is done. I did like this one, although the minty feeling was a little bit cold on the skin, which was, as I already said before, like the smell was really Christmassy, but at the same time the tingly feeling was more something for summer because it kind of cools you down in a way. Yeah, I don't know why they did that. Then something that heats you up. This is the Voya Feel the Heat Muscle Warming Arinka Gel with ginger and sweet orange. I've said this to you guys before. I'm not a huge fan of this one just because it's a little bit too warming in my opinion. It does work really well for your muscles, like when your muscles are sore, it kind of soothes them. And at this point my husband has figured it out as well, so he is helping me get through this. You can see that there's a whole lot of progress made recently. And that is partly because he was using it. I actually have to say that is mostly because he has been using it, because I haven't used it too much. But we're almost done. I know this one is going to be finished by next time as well. So that's pretty nice. I'm going to be able to roll probably 3 items out by next time at least. And then lastly, and this is the most exciting one in my opinion, the DA, I don't even know what this is called anymore because everything is rubbed off. This is the Fluid Lip Color, I think, kind of a purplish metallic reddish color that I've been working on for a long time. There is still a little bit of product left in here, but I can see through the windows in the close-up. You can clearly see that as well. I'm done. I'm done with this one. It's been in here for so long. I never thought this would last me that long because I am actually using it quite regularly. Yeah. But now it's done. I can see through the packaging, and that's it for me. I have plenty of other lip products that I want to focus on, and that I'm gonna be focusing on a little bit more now that this one is done. So a few replacement items. To replace that lip item, I'm putting in another lip lacquer, and this one you might recognize from my 6 by Summer project because that was in there. I've already taken the stopper out of this one as well, as you can maybe see, and I'm getting kind of close on this one. I like it more, it's more neutral, so I can put it on a little bit more easily. I'm actually wearing these two on top of each other just to get the last little bit out of this one today. But I feel like I should be able to get through this at least a little bit quicker than through the other one, because I can easily reapply this even without a mirror. So I'm hoping that that will help me get through this within, well, I'm kind of hoping 1, but possibly 2 updates, but I'm hoping it won't take me any more than that. So this one is rolling on, and then I've got a second product to roll in as well, and that is another body lotion. I bought this Aveeno Skin Relief Nourishing Lotion when I was in Dingle, which is on the other side of the country here in Ireland. It was a not so sunny day, but we hiked up a mountain, and beneath the clouds it was not sunny, but then we passed the clouds and it was sunny, and I got a sunburn. So while we were there, I decided to buy some sort of a body lotion to just make sure that at least that part of my skin was nourished and I wouldn't start flaking too badly. Normally I take care of my skin so well, but I just didn't expect to be above the clouds for some reason. I don't know. So yeah, this one, it was a Skin Relief Nourishing Lotion, sounded good to me, so I bought this one over there, and I already used it a little bit. I'm right here at this one for now, so I'm gonna be working on this one. Probably won't have this finished in 1 update. I think it's gonna probably take me 3 or 4 as well. But again, it will make sure that I keep using body lotions on a regular basis and I keep nourishing my skin on a regular basis. So yeah, that is that one. Now, like I said, I do think that I will have all the other products finished off by next time. So this one will likely be done. This one, if I take 2 more baths, which should not be a problem, will be done. And also this one will definitely be done because there just isn't too much left in here anymore. And I use that pretty much every day. And that is it. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye.